Hey there, drone fans. Today is day 7 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and I have another amazing prize for you today. But before I get to this, what did the third wise man say when the first two wise men had already presented gold and frankincense? But wait, there's myrrh. On the 7th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Osmo Mobile 7. That's right, you're getting the kit. It has everything you need to put your phone in it, and it stabilizes your footage. You basically just magnetically attach your phone to the Osmo Mobile 7, walk around, shoot some video, and it's going to be buttery smooth. It's going to keep everything perfectly level. It's an amazing product, and again, an invention by DJI, well ahead of other companies building these kind of products, and I think it's just a really cool item. So this is really easy to win as well. Every time I run one of these contests, I say the same thing. Look down below in the comments and you'll see a link down there. If you click that link, it'll bring up a simple form. Put in your email address, put in your username on YouTube, and that way we've got 2 ways to get a hold of you if you win the product. After 7 days, we'll collect up all the entries. We won't look, we'll put them aside, we'll pull one out at random. Whoever that is, we'll send you an email and say, good news, you just won the Osmo Mobile 7. Send us your address. We'll put this in a box, we'll ship it off to you, and then you'll have a really nice way to stabilize your footage. And boy, I'll tell you, this is an incredibly cool product. If you've never used a stabilizer before, I know you can go out there with your phone and you can record stuff, but it's all janky and bouncing around. This is going to smooth everything out. You're going to look like Francis Ford Coppola when you're out there filming. So really nice prize, and we couldn't be happier giving it away. This is a great time of year for us here at the shop. I get so excited whenever Christmas rolls around because I get a chance to be a little ridiculous here in these videos, sing a little bit, tell a couple of jokes, and just have a whole lot of fun. So hopefully you're enjoying these. Today's day 7. I have 5 more coming, and there's some awesome prizes coming. So stay tuned to the channel, and if you haven't entered the earlier contests, go back and enter those as well because there's some really cool prizes there. And unfortunately, you have to enter every day because it's impossible for us to keep track of all these different entries and separate them out. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks an awful lot for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season with your family. And until tomorrow, happy flying.